Okay, so this is day one of actually planning everything sa confession letter ko. And if I sent you this, Sophia, and then it's really unnecessary, pero bakit ko naisipang i-record to? Kasi gusto ko ipakita yung behind the scenes of actually doing the things na ibibigay ko sa'yo. Kung ano man yung makikita mo sa container na ito. This is what I chosen kasi ito lang yung pinakamaliit na paper bag namin, no? And dun sa fun day, kasi by the time that I'm recording this, it is actually April 24 of 2025 at like 5:40 p.m. in the afternoon. PM, yeah. Kumuha ako ng mga ganito. It is perfect kasi alam mo yung kung ano yung binigay ko sa'yo nung grade 10 ata? Yeah! So I'm gonna fill this up with different art craft that I can actually do with this. Unang-una yung mga rings, para sa akin, underrated. And some other stuff that I can do with it. Ito, like, yeah. And this is the letter. Ito yung final. Ngayon, yung gusto kong gawin, yung plano kong gawin rather, is talagyan ko ng design. Kasi it is too plain. Parang napaka-seryoso natin dito. No? So, plano ko ulit ito i-print, pero with design siguro around the corner, o kaya dito sa sides, o kaya dito, to make it look good, and to look cool, and to look very, very approved. With respect and admiration. Wow. Hindi ko rin sa'yo nasabi kung saan to nanggaling tong letter na to. No? Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko na sa'yo nung umamin na ako. Kasi next week ko balak umamin as soon as magawa ni Alice. Dito siya nanggaling. Sa journal ko. It was yesterday. Nung may program kung saan nagpapakita ang mga kakayahan ng mga clubs. Kung nakita mo kung may hawak na journal at nagsusulat. Yeah, so ito yung draft. Wow, it's like 1 and 2 Kailangan 3 and a 4 and a 5 pages. All in all, nung finalize ko sa Word, bale, naging 7 paragraphs Inayos ko rin yung structure niya, yung grammar niya, and for the record, alam ko kung paano gumamit ng and dash, i-adalik na dash, no? So, hindi to GPT, lahat to ay galing sa notebook. Tinype ko mismo. And may mga binago ko, may mga ano pa rin. Pero most of the contents na nakikita mo sa sulat na to ay same pa rin doon. Ang pinagkaiba lang is nagdagdag pa ako dito. And yeah. To be frank, I am really scared of doing this. Like, I am actually scared kasi takot ako eh. Alam mo yun? Like alam mong takot ako na mawala ka. Alam mo yun. Pero hindi mo alam kung gaano ako takot na mawala ka. Ano mo sabi nga ng iba? Alam mo daw, nasumbat ako nasa TV. Pero, sabi ni Piyad kasi, na lagi naman ako may mahanap na someone like you na kayang umintindi, na kaya ko intindihin in a way na para sa akin lang ikaw lang ang nakakagawa nun. Sabi niya na, ano mo yun, like madami pang isda. There will always be some pagdating sa college. No? You know what? That may be true. Kasi the world is wide. 8 billion people. Ilan ang populasyon ng Pilipinas? Hindi ko rin alam, hindi ko na rin search, pero madami tayong mga Pilipino. That may be true, sinabi ni Piyad. Pero mas pinipili kita eh. As corny as you know, as may that sound, as corny as it may sound, as cheesy as it may sound, ikaw yung pinipili ko eh. So kahit may tao pa dyan na kayang umintindi, kagaya mo kung paano mo ko intindihin, at kahit naman may tao dyan na kagaya mo na kayang gumawa ng mga typos, na kayang gumawa ng mga gibberish words na hindi ko maintindihan, at kaya kong ibuli, like, if I were to find an exact version of you, which I don't think that I will find, pero someone, like, hypothetically, I would still choose you. Bakit? Because that person is far different from you, and I choose you. Like a Pokemon. Paba. Yeah. So, ngayon, lately, kanina lang di lately, nasa TikTok ako, and I am looking for ways to improve this letter of mine, and pinag-iisipan ko kung handwritten ba. Kasi pag handwritten kasi ang madalas sinasabi ng kaklase ko, Sara, i-print mo na lang. Kasi yung handwriting mo, hindi mo maintindihan yan. No? Na maganda nga siya naka-print. No? Nakawanda siya talagang naka-print. I'm stuck between, you know, writing it mismo sa isang paper, or eto na lang pero with design. I've been looking for some envelopes as well, kung paano gumawa ng envelopes, kasi kung ano yung kaya kong gawin within the materials that I have in this house, kasi yun yung alamin ko, and I want to make it special, no? Pero going back, yeah, I am honestly so scared. You know, gano'n nakakatakot. Kanina nung nasa room kami, I feel, malapit na kasi mag-dismissal noon. May sinulat ulit ako sa notes app ko. May sinulat ulit ako. Hindi ko pinost sa Reddit. Naramdaman ko lang to kasi kanina. So, babasahin ko na lang sa'yo. And hindi ko siya naisipan na isulat sa isang papel kasi parang I don't wanna, pero ito na yun. Sa mic ko, guys. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung naririnig sana ako, pero sana naririnig ko. Ano. I am so scared on actually losing you. If the God between life and death does exist, I pray and beg desperately that I won't lose you. I pray and beg that we won't be strangers to one another just because I decided to be honest with my feelings with you. I swear, hindi ko naman to ginusto. Hindi ko ginusto na mahulog ulit sa'yo pagkatapos ng grade 6, kasi pagkakalala ko grade 6 ako nahulog sa'yo nun. No? Niwala nga sa plano na umamin ako sa'yo this month. At wala rin sa plano na mahulog ako ng ganito kalalim. I fell way too deep, and I just wanted to be honest with you, even for once, because I didn't get to express it properly. Hindi ko naalala. Honestly, I think nung grade 6, nung umamin ako sa'yo, I just said that I like you, pero I never stated the reasons why, or if I stated the reasons why, napaka-shallow nun. I don't want that everything I wrote for you would only remain in the folders of unsent letters. Kasi may ganun talagang folder. God, please, I'm begging that I won't lose the only person that understood me in a way no one can. Please, please, please. Please don't make us strangers to one another. Kung pwede lang umatras, no? Pero hindi. Ako ang gumawa ng desisyon na to. At kahit takot at kabado talaga ako, papanindigan ko to. I'll do it scared. Even if there's that possibility of losing you for good. Siguro hindi ko pa alam kung nasabi ko na sa'yo, pero maybe it's an over-exaggeration And setting aside my family, siyempre, that's my mommy. Where's mommy? Mommy! Um, alam to ng kaklase ko, na, alam din ng mga Discord friends ko. Sinabi ko sa kanila na, mawala na ang lahat, wag lang siya. Mawala na ang lahat, wag lang ikaw. Dahil, masado ka lang kasing importante eh. Like, hindi naman I feel like, pero I personally believe that what we have, yung bonding natin sa chats, I believe that no one can ever replicate that moment. Na kahit gawin ko man sa iba, it's not going to feel that way. Kung nung naramdaman ko, nung ginagawa natin yun. No? Sure, someone can bully me, pero no one bullies like what you can. Pero yun. Naghanap ako ng mga paper crops and everything. And pinaplano ko talaga siya na maayos kasi this is the second confession of my entire life. Kasi the last time that I confessed was kay Alice. Na paulit-ulit. And this is the second time kung saan yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo ay genuine talaga and all that things na yung sinasabi ko na nung umamin ako sa'yo recently, this month, no? Yeah. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy sabihin ko. Pero, tawag na. Oh shit, oh my god, nakalimutan ko na. God damn it. Tawag doon. Wait nga lang. Oh, wow. Yung confession part. Yeah, this is gonna be the second time. Kasi kung crush lang kita, if it was infatuation, unang-una hindi ako amin sa'yo. Kasi infatuation lang. Pangalawa, hindi ko rin gagawin to kung hindi genuine yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo. Kung hindi siya for the long term. Pero itong nararamdaman ko na to, Sophia, alam mo na, it's deep. Hindi ko alam kung anong sagot mo sa akin or kung ano man ang kinalabasan ng pag-amin ko sa'yo kasi I have yet to know. And personally, I think I'm gonna bet 50 reals you're gonna reject me because and you're gonna say no kasi may sabihin na rin ako in the end na pwede ba kitang ligawan legally and all that stuff. So, you're gonna say no kasi sabi mo sa akin nung Pebrero, di ba? Na ayan na, like alam mo na, hindi ko na kailangan ulitin dito sa video pero I'm gonna repeat it, okay? Kasi alam ko, I know that moment. I remember that moment. I remember it so goddamn clearly like a photograph. Anyway, sinabi mo kasi na pag baka gusto ka sa akin like the school yun. Like ang inaalala ko talaga is yung kamay mo. Like pa. Yeah. Pero hindi naman yun kasi yung importante. Yung importante talaga is nailabas ko to. Yung naman kinalabasan, I'll make a separate video regarding kung ano talaga yung nangyari. Pero, yeah. Yeah. Just know na hindi ko talaga to, like, hindi to intentional na pag gusto ko sa'yo, hindi ko piniling magkagusto sa'yo. Nahulog lang ulit ako sa'yo na. And I couldn't deny my feelings and ayokong i-deny yung feelings ko ulit. Kaya kahit napaka-risky, kahit para if it may seem so shallow sa iba, pero sa akin kasi importante talaga, like this means so much to me. You mean so much to me to the point na, natatakot talaga ako. Kinakabahan ako. If only nakikita mo lang talaga sa mata ko kung gaano ka talaga ka-importante. Kung sana malaman mo kung gaano I just don't wanna lose you. Sabi ko nga, kung wala nang lahat, except yung parents ko, wag lang ikaw. Ganun ka ka-importante, Sophia. So, yeah.